Hey guys, Tyler is awesome too here, and today, since quite a while, and the first one near, I'm gonna show off another new fan-made Ben 10 alien I made called Snackasite. So we all know with the recent series, Camera Gav, that Gav can create these little companions called Gochituras, which you use to transform, and they also die after being used for transforming. So, yeah. So I thought I had this crazy idea to turn them into a Ben 10 alien with very creative lore and whatnot. And well, you see, my idea is very interesting, makes sense, and well, as I said, it's very creative. So in Ben 10, vampire species, the Flatheads, are able to control people either through being really close and staring at people, or more famously and more commonly, using these little creatures they create called the Gochitura to brainwash people from a distance. And the fact that they are small creatures created from the mouth of a sentient being is similar to the Gochitos from Gav. Also, the fact that the Grandnewts are kind of similar to the Flatheads, and they're both evil species that try to eat people or suck their blood / energy / whatever. And the creature spawning thing, as I said earlier. And looking at the Gormons from Ben 10, they're similar to the Grandnewts. They also both begin with the letter G, too, in terms of being the big eaters with giant hungs in their mouths. The Grandnewts have like a second stomach their tongue can compress people, and the Gormons have a trans-dimensional dimension stomach. And the Grandnewts' home are kind of like another dimension. Kind of an ironic coincidence. But at least the Grandnewts did not eat their home. Anyways, with information from the Bandai cards and the artwork in the Bandai card, it says that Peptos 11 had very rich crops and diverse spice trade. And if you look at these trees from the artwork I'm showing you, please don't copyright strike me, Warner Bros. And Bandai. But it looks the plants there kind of look very glowy, if you will, and looks like it could mutate creatures, if you will. Where I'm going with this? Well, I'm about to tell you. At some point, when the Flatheads were still alive, they sent their Gochitura to control other people and to go the universe and whatnot. Yada yada yada, etc., evil, evil, evil. And the Gochitura end up in Peptos something, because all planets in the Peptos system are very similar landscapes. They kind of all basically exactly the same. And so Gormons eat their planets. Anyways, with the Gochitura being near the radiation of these plants, it caused the Gochitura to mutate and, well, gain sentience and turn them into a brand new species that we know today as the Gochitura. It's the combination of the names Gochito and Gochitura. Get it? Now for Snackasite's abilities. Now, obviously he can fly because of the wings, but he can also duplicate by dying because of the play on how the Gochitos are made, and if they're used, they die. And also the trope on transferring yourself into a clone body after you die. Yeah, it's basically that. This alien is also a parasite alien, which means it'll go great on the 5YL parasite playlist. Their parasitic ability is basically turn people's body parts into food, or food-based weaponry or something like that. Obviously, this ability is inspired by the Gochitos and their form-changing gimmick of the Gav writers, but it's also inspired by Globby from Big Hero 6. They can also survive in the vacuum of space, especially because of the whole, Gormons eating the planet thing. The color scheme is also inspired by the Gummy Gochito. And now I'm showing you the non-green eye variant, and this is the green eye variant. So, I think this is a very creative alien, and I do think I did a pretty good job. And do you think so? let me know in the comments section down below, or also write in if I made any mistakes or not, or something you have to tell me, or YouTube algorithm algorithm, man, that's so hard to say, would like that. Anyways, it would, YouTube comments would like that, And the creative genius of this alien is like the equivalent of Oraka with the idea to connect Topic and Igai species because of the episode where Igai bumped his Omnitrix symbol and he turned to Topic, or him explaining the blackout of Brainstorm's solar system with the Fomanai from the reboot. Those are very creative and genius ways. Anyways, be sure to hit that Kuga thumbs up button, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, the notification button. As I said, let me know stuff in comments down below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I am Tyler's Awesome 2, and peace.